is it Osama? I tell him that he's so skilled because not even if I was watching, I couldn't do it. It takes great skill.
Broke. Of course it does. I've been doing this for like a long time.
Okay, so you hear him. He's been doing this for a while. Yeah, and he's right. I think he's been drawing like this since he was like 3, 4 years old.
Sorry guys, I need to sharpen my pencil. My pencil broke. Wait, never mind. I'll just use this mechanical.
Yeah, like he said, his pencil broke, so.
It's okay, I'm just using the mechanical.
You're using the mechanical one? Okay.
Yes.
You know how it is. Your tools sometimes will, you just have to make sure you have your backup. Get your kid. He has an Xbox. They have Xbox.
No, I'm just not gonna question that. I'm just not gonna.
Talented guy. Yes, Osama. Very, very, very talented.
Thank you.
Yes, this was the first one that he did. This was the first one.
I'm alive.
Yeah, this was the first one, guys. So.
Oh, Kai, remember when she would shriek in my ear? We need to be like.
What is this?
Be fearless.
It's an 8-year-old doing a drawing. It's an 8-year-old doing a drawing. Yeah. So guys, so tomorrow I'm going to be live at, I say around 4:30, guys. I'm going to be live cooking tomorrow. Goku, good. Yes. Yes. I haven't decided the dish as yet, guys.
Shouldn't it be what you love to eat?
Yeah, but if I'm doing it every day, I like a lot of food, so I have to decide which one.
We'll decide your favorite one on the foods.
Yeah.
Try doing that.
On Saturday, I had one of my favorite. That was a spicy Cajun chicken and sausage pasta. Guys, when I tell you that was so good. Guys, can you please, guys on TikTok, please, can you just tap the screen for me? Tap and show some love to my nephew, guys. Tap and show some love to my nephew.
I could tell you my secret to not being worried.
You love Goku. Oh, Leet is on. She says she love Goku. Yes. Guys on YouTube, please just like the video, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, guys, please just subscribe, okay? Thank you guys so much. Oh, you're not on YouTube, you can't?
Oh, it's just bright and it's white.
Oh, the color. I hear the color contrast on the YouTube one is not so good, Jerry.
Oh, really? My TikTok is good.
What? But the TikTok one is good. The TikTok one is good, but the YouTube one, yeah. Oh, I see what they're saying. They're just seeing a white. Yeah.
I'm sorry, but I don't know how to fix that.
Yeah, that's my error. But the thing is, okay, let's see. I'm gonna use the back facing camera like this. Okay.